page no so Akoma 87.9 from Senabra and send me a de benino and one dance say a photo and answer be a video ninano a chegu say ya best chance here at your free Ghana Mrashebe your fear. Now, a team for I believe best now what should be in some year and now ever told us and this I mean you couldn't penny for iron sacraye. Nititri pano our Ghana Mrashebe your fear not as a kukitwa. You're trying to somebody from some minority no leaders no and penny for iron sacra kakra ewomu Emma opinion sabredi. One on a year and pretrahine our Ghana Mrashebe your fear edema kukitwa no dear friends a minority chief the day and Kwame Agboja. Somebody one what is what didn't hini. Nanyanku poya tuma a dankchina se bibiansi na kukwaji Maria. E kamia se emrashebe jafono one mu kwajo no mahome nyanku poya duma a dankchina ena bibiansi dia womesan aba setena biemu na no ena opani ono ade twampre ede ma endi samenyoko no Ghana mrashebe jafie ewuranite ene agboja gidie pase omo adwuma no mo ba bebo no enye adwuma ketua o eno mo beye ede ma Ghana man na wasi se Ghana for yenimu a ene sabre woka ama ye nyina ya hyanse ne yetimi ahye sapom nsuo ene ase kwame ade na yenimu apese woka eno asi gbo mi nana mi ankasa mi nua mi nem se kwame akwabu ye ne etumirika na so mi se kabo fanante akoma efam so na foma Ghana for ne titiri pa no ene o manfo mo kuma se na santimantem anum se wo mo nim se NDC anasempo MPP aminokuo no womo ayen sachiraye womo eguso om ye hyehye se na be ya ye betima kopie mu ewo IMF wonu makachi na sa IMF wonu makachi aye kono enhyehye wo ho enoma bebre ena ese Ghana timidi guna akwamu ansampo ena sikabote na ye pe America $4 yi ye si bia be se 3 billion so se de den ena Ghana ekope e de free international monetary fund wonu so aso ye ena pani ne se ansa na Ghana se sika ne ensa be kano de kan abanu gusu a oye project bi yes our project no etwamu be se biosia agisa abanu for red pen kokko no watwam just wa cancel no nyesa paade a enya de a IMF fofo ede se sika Ghana ye pe no ombetimi de amaye wose no de kan de eto so mienu ene wose kamie se nipa bebrebe ene omo nso omo dwuma omo yi abosome so akwabrane obenya bibi kakra ato aduane no ade apodwe no no so atimi adidi no enipa twam be se bia be opepem yensa 3 million de adwuma betima bo manfo e wo Ghana mamu asenti braso se ye nyina ye betimi atena se na mpanifo betimi hyeso adwene anya sa paade ade wakan ebebem sa.
The government have decided belatedly to go into IMF, but the arrogance of Dr. Bawumia and Ken Oforiatta and their opaque way of doing things is such that nobody knows exactly what they are taking to the negotiation. As we speak, we have a situation where Dr. Bawumia and Ken Oforiatta are the only ones probably who knows what they are negotiating. All they want is to decide that Ghanaians should pay a certain amount of money from their private sources to save them, which is the issue about the debt restructuring, which people are pushing against heavily. But there are other significant parts of the negotiation that are not known to Ghanaians, which are creating big anxiety, not only in Ghana, but across the globe. As we sit here, I'm aware that series of meetings have taken place with a close group of people in NPP, close to President Akufo, where allegedly about 60 projects and programs are going to be either suspended or cancelled. These programs include projects that you and I know about, maybe Obechebi, La General Hospital, Shama, how do you call it, the road between Tamamoto Roundabout and Akosombo Bridge, Adomi Bridge, and many other projects across the country. You'll be surprised that this government actually paid some of the developers 15 to 20% mobilizations. These are foreign companies. They've taken the mobilization, are sitting in their offices drinking tea because government is unable to tell them whether to go ahead because can basically say suspend all these things. So we are probably losing value because they've taken the money in terms of mobilization. They have set up camp, but they're in the office drinking tea, and you cannot blame them. This is of no value to the country. And we are saying, what are the principles underlining the selection of the projects NPP want to cancel, suspend, or go ahead? Who are currently unsure whether they are going to lose their job permanently because some of them have started laying off people. I project that this could lead to job losses up to 3 million people in the value chain.
So, enti no ma bi wɔ no mu a asɛm mpanimfoɔ no katakata so ɔmo mpɛ so ɔmbɛtumi ahyɛ daa trɛm saa ebie soɔ na ɔmo de agu awia mu ɛma ɔmanfoɔ nso ɔmo sɛ adeɛ no sɛ na ɛkyɛ ne nkampa sɛ awia kɔbom ɛma adeɛ no awo ɛna adeɛ nso deɛ nya wo sɛ ya ɛyɛ dede paa besra ɛyɛ dede brutaa enti ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm a saa berɛ deɛ mpretwa hene deɛ fɛn sɛ minority ɛyɛ chief whip ne din ɛne Kwame Agbogya wɔn nso ɛne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ abɔ nkɔmmɔti ɛhwɛ ne mu sɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ adom ɛda kyena biribi a nsɛdi a na kyɛ sɛ nei mmarahyɛbadwafoɔ no wɔn mu kɔ ahomegye mu Nyame adom ɛkyena deɛ wɔn mo ɛresan aba abɛtɔ ɔnom adwuma so ɛwɔ Ghana mmarahyɛbadwafie hɔ yɛbɛfiri Kwame Agbogya ne nsɛm no so na yɛde yɛni akyerɛ mu na yɛda so gyina NDC amenyɔkuo na mu